Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, super excited, we're going to be doing another Ulta haul. So we have this box here. It's pretty much filled to the brim. So if you guys want to see what I got, then let's just get to it. The first item I got is this Nabla highlighter. So this highlight is the Skin Glazing Glass Skin Finish Glow Powder. It's in the shade Ozone. So it's in like this pinkish hue glass, or not glass, like acrylic plastic container. I'm super excited to swatch this. Ooh, it's pretty. Wow, that is so pretty. I can tell this is going to be a new favorite. Alright, so next I got this kit from Grande Lash. It's the Lash Fix-It kit. This comes with the Lash Accelerator as well as the Grande Repair, which I've never tried the repair. It looks like it's conditioner for the lashes, so I'll have to try that and see how that works. It's the Grande Lash Accelerator. It works really, really well. I also got a little mini from Grande Lash. This is their mascara. It's a conditioning mascara. I've heard it's really, really good, so I am super excited to try it. I hate when they make the plastic so hard to get off of the product. Okay, I got it enough to where I can at least open it. So it is a pretty thick mascara, it looks like. The wand doesn't look too bad, not too chunky, not too small. So I'm going to have to try this and see how my lashes look. Next I picked up some more false, I was going to say lashes, some false nails from Kiss. These are actually the pair that I have on right now. I really, really love them. They look like acrylic nails, so I decided to pick up another pair. And then I picked up another set from the Jelly Fantasy line. These are really pretty, like vibrant Barbie pink nails with glitter, and some of them are like kind of like holographic, so I decided to give these a shot as well. So if you watched my eyeshadow declutter video, I did mention these e.l.f. bite-sized little palettes. I picked up 3 of these. I picked up the green set, the more like orange copper set, and I also picked up the smoky set, but that one did come damaged unfortunately in shipping, so I might do a video on these. If you guys do want to see that, let me know. These were only $3 and they're supposed to be really good quality, so I thought these would be great for travel. Next I picked up this item from Colourpop. This is the She's Got Solstice palette. Ooh. It looks like the pressed glitter is gonna come out of the pan if I like flip it. Let's hope that's not the case. So I'm almost scared to show you guys this, but this is what the palette looks like. It's really, really pretty, and it just like called me for some reason. It's not normally a palette I would gravitate towards, but I thought it was beautiful online, and it does actually look much better in person. I'm just scared of that one color like falling out. I'm gonna swatch just a few of these. Ooh, these are so pretty. Alright, let's see. One. Oh, it's coming up very lightly. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. Ooh. That's so pretty. Ooh, I love it. Now let's swatch the green shade. Oh, they're so pretty. I feel like these are really nice like spring colors. So I'm excited to play with this. That palette was only $14. If you guys want to see a tutorial using it, just let me know. I got a highlighting palette from Makeup Revolution. So this is just what it looks like. It's 4 pans. Really, really nice. We have some gold tones in there and some peachy tones. I'm not going to be swatching this palette because I want to save it for a future giveaway. Next, I just stocked up on my Toothpaste Born This Way collection. I got the Born This Way foundation as well as the concealer. I really, really love these. I picked up this bronzer from Makeup Revolution. It's a new one. I picked it up in this shade Light. So the reviews did say that they run really dark, so I'm interested to see how this shade like works. Packaging just says glow on it with like a sunburst. You guys can see that this is pretty much as big as my like the palm of my hand. Oh, it feels really nice. Oh wow, a little bit goes a long way. Let's see. Oh wow, yeah, that's really pigmented for the light shade. Wow, I'm gonna have to go pretty light with this. I ended up picking up the Tinted Moisturizer, the Pretty Fresh collection from Colourpop, because I've wanted to try this for a little while now. Got the shade Light 5N. Okay, so after pumping for like 4 years, let's see. Ooh, really nice, kind of dewy. I feel like this is going to look really nice now that summer's here, and it's not going to feel too heavy on your face, but give you kind of like an all-over color. Next, I restocked on my Benefit Total Moisture Cream. This is what the packaging looks like, really nice and heavy. It is glass, so you have to be careful, but it is pretty like heavy duty. I'm pretty sure I've dropped mine like a couple times and it was fine. So this stuff smells really good. If you guys don't like a scented moisturizer, then this probably isn't the product for you, but I do really like the scent. Really nice and fragranced. The next items aren't really like beauty related, but I picked up some products from the brand Hello. It says it has hemp seed oil and coconut oil, so that's really interesting in a toothpaste. I'm excited to see how I like this. And I also picked up a toothbrush from them. This one is charcoal infused, which is really interesting, so I feel like that's really going to help whiten your teeth. I'll have to give it a shot and see. So I restocked on my Tarte Base Tape Primer. I love this stuff so much, and it does smell like coconut, so I'm pretty obsessed. I picked up a blush from Colourpop. This is in the shade Meteor-Rite. That's so cute. So it's just a peachy blush. I really love my peachy nude blushes. Let's give her a swatch. Ooh. Ooh, that actually didn't like come on too much. Like sometimes blushes are like just really pigmented, so this is actually a nice amount. I feel like I'm super excited to try this. So I picked up another blush, and this one is from Elf. This is their primer infused blush in Always Cheeky. So this one's another peachy tone. I feel like it's more of like a pinky peachy tone. Well, this one feels really nice too. I don't know how well this color is going to show up on my skin though. Oh, okay. This one's definitely more of like a light pinky peachy soft blush, so I'm actually excited to try that. I usually go more darker with my like peachy blush tones, so that will be interesting to try. So this is a total throwback. It's been around forever, but I decided to pick up the Pink Sugar perfume. Stuff smells so good. I haven't used it in years, so I was super excited, feeling like nostalgic and whatnot. I haven't used this perfume in years. Like, I was super excited when I saw it on there. I was like, yes, I have to get this. There it is. Smells so good. I've missed this scent. I picked up the Brighten Up powder from Essence. This stuff is really nice, just a quick set to the face. You can even kind of like bake the under eye area with this. Really nice. So I did restock on my Smashbox setting spray. It's the photo finish one. I really like this. It does help prolong my makeup throughout the day. Still really love my Morphe setting spray though. Really good. I picked up this highlighting palette from e.l.f. It had really good reviews on the website, so I was like, yeah, I have to get this. So those are the shades. I'm going to swatch a couple of them because a lot of the reviews did say they were really like blinding, at least like one of the rows was, so I'm like dying to swatch it. Okay, the white's like not even showing up on my finger, but a little better. Okay. I'm going to swatch those 3 shades. Ooh, wow. That is really nice. So blinding, I feel like. No setting spray or anything. So that's really good for like a drugstore highlight. Ooh, that one's pretty too. So the first one's more of a peachy gold, and this one's more of a champagne gold. Yeah, and then the third one's just a glitter. It's like not really showing up, but the other 2 shades really pigmented. Sorry, my camera cut out, but I just swatched one of the shades from the bottom row. Really pretty soft white shade. Then that shade's not even showing up. That one's barely showing up. So, I like about 3 colors in the palette. It's not bad for the price. I think the price was around $10, 10 or 12. So I will definitely take that. That one shade is so pigmented though. Just that on its own, like I feel like it's so worth it. Next, I just picked up this set from Awake. It's their all day and all night lip mask duo. My lips have been so dry. I can't find like anything that's working. So if you guys do have any recommendations for that, like lip masks or whatnot, please let me know. I have smelt these in store though, and they do smell so good. It's like a watermelon scent. So these are really nice for summer. I picked up the new Dewy Photo Focus foundation from Wet n Wild. I'm obsessed with the original. I love it. It does smell like paint, but I really don't care. It doesn't bother me too much. Only thing is they were out of like all the shades like that I normally wear, so I went a little darker because I plan on self-tanning soon. Yeah, this is so dark on me, I can tell. Very orangey. Oh, it has a nice like sheen and dewiness to it though. I'm gonna have to try this when I get a little tanner. Next, I picked up a highlighter from Kylie in Ice Me Out. I've wanted to try her highlights for a while now, and I just never got around to it. So it's a really pretty soft champagne gold color. Wow, can you guys see that? So pigmented. Wow, yes, I am excited for this. I want to wear this, like, I think I'm going to wear it tomorrow. So pretty. I picked up two Brow Boss pencils from Colourpop, the shade I normally wear, and then I did pick one up in a light brown because I wanted to try to do a lighter kind of fanned out brow. So I'm going to try it out and see how it works. I picked up some glosses from Colourpop. I think, yeah, so I picked up one of them to save for a giveaway. Shade Snowy Day. It's a really pretty soft pink with kind of gold sparkles in there. I picked up Here's to You. So this is more of a pinky kind of orangey shade with sparkles. Forgot that I picked up another highlight from Kylie. This is in quartz. This one's more of a yellowy gold, which it's kind of scaring me now that I'm looking at it. It looked a little different online. Wow. Ooh, that actually swatched pretty nice on my skin tone though. So pretty. It's like thundering out right now. I really hope we don't lose electricity because we were all out of electricity yesterday, like all day, and it really sucked. It was really hot out. There's like stuff all over it from the broken palette that I got, but I did restock one of my Essence Lash Princess. I love this. Really nice for length and volume. It gives you that kind of like false-eyed look. I really do like it, and it's only like $4.99. Just picked up a little Ulta sharpener. This item I was super excited about. This is new from Makeup Revolution. It actually says Revolution Glow, so I don't know if that's different, but it's their new Molten Body Glow. This is in the shade Glow. It's a really pretty light champagne gold. So satisfying. Ooh, a lot came out. Wow. Do you guys see that? That's so blinding. And yeah, a little goes a long way. Definitely don't need as much as I just pumped onto my hand. I'm literally obsessed with this. So pretty. Wow, I want to bathe in this. Really heavy, like nice packaging too. So next I picked up two glosses from Colourpop. It's their Luxe glosses. I picked up the shade Overnight as well as Overnight. So I don't know if I like put two in my cart or they just sent me duplicates because I thought I ordered another one. Wait, did I order another one? I don't know. I guess I'll save the other one for a giveaway. It smells kind of like watermelon-y to me. It's pretty. It's a pretty like peachy gloss. So I picked up two shades from the new NYX Pride collection. I picked up Harmony as well as Openness. This is so pretty, and it has a cute little heart on it as well. It has a heart on the packaging, and then it does have a heart on the actual lipstick. Oh, there's two hearts. Cute. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's like a fuchsia, like Barbie pink. So pretty. Okay, this one's definitely more of a Barbie pink. Yeah, that's definitely more Barbie. That's so pretty. I'm excited for these. They swatch so nicely, and I think they were around like $6. I do want to do some Pride makeup looks this month, so I picked up some temporary tattoos. They are the Pride collection, just so you guys can get an idea of what they look like. Also just picked up a mini Gimme Brow. I forgot I got this lip gloss as well when I bought the Bretman Rock Wet n Wild collab. I did buy this gloss too. Really pretty champagne gold with glitter in it. Oh wow, the rain is really starting to come down. If you guys can hear that, I apologize. This is so pretty. It's a soft gold with glitter specks in there. This item I got is this Becca gloss. This is in the shade Citrine. This lip gloss is a peachy gold shade. Really, really stunning. Wow, that's beautiful. Yeah, it's like a peachy gold shade. Really, really stunning. Alright, and that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until my next one. Bye!